Good afternoon. This is Ryan Whitaker with FS Grain with a short market update on January 12th, 2021. Today, the trade focused on the WASDE and quarterly stocks reports. The USDA paid a slight increase in the U.S. corn crop, which was led basically just by increasing harvested acres by 300,000 bushel. The U.S. corn carryout is currently at 1.54 billion bushels. Ethanol demand was up 75 million bushels in the report, but our exports were also decreased by the same amount. They increased bean yield by 0.2 of a bushel. Some of that was offset by decreased harvested acres. Ending stocks now for beans are pegged at 350 million bushels. So neither one of those carryout numbers are extremely tight, corn or beans, with the current demand structure that we're seeing right now. They did lower, Brazil corn and beans some, so that'll kind of help, offset some of the long stocks that we have in the world, but not a significant amount, to say the least. We also did see China buy some beans this morning. Not a ton, but a decent little sale. And then Unknown bought a little bit of corn as well, which most likely, I guess in my opinion, was also China. So going forward, it looks like the trade is going to probably go back and start looking at South American weather again. It does look like it's going to be dry for a few more days, but the long-term forecast turns a little bit cooler and a little bit wetter. So keep an eye on that. I mean, just like with any weather market, as soon as it does start raining, I'm sure this market will set itself back some. Continue to stay in front of this market. These values are still pretty solid values. We did see basis break here this week on the Illinois River due to some ice issues downriver. So as far as trying to get barges up here to the north, they've been struggling some. So basis did break. So if you don't have to, you're just wanting to move some corn and you can wait, a couple weeks, get into February, first part of March, basis values do get better as we go out farther. But again, values still extremely profitable this year. So don't miss an opportunity. I know things do look a little bit bullish, but again, when we're trading weather here near term, anything can happen. So continue to talk to your grain buyer. If you want to keep moving grain, get a plan in place. If you do want to leave your future side, upside open some, there's very little carry. Again, we can write basis contracts versus the deferreds and keep yourself in the market. So again, any questions, contact your local grain buyer. And that is all I have for today. Thank you and stay safe.